Okay, now that we're using a little piece of the tourniquet in here, and part of our problem is that with a needle sticking out after so many pulses with it. So what we're going to need to do is, what happens is this little carriage here drops itself down, and this is no longer being held at a 90-degree angle. So what we want to do is loosen this up. Put your finger down underneath here, both fingers, and raise this carriage up just like this. Raise it up, and while it's still raising, tighten it up, making sure that tourniquet piece is still in there. Tighten it up, and when you do that, you should see that the needles have been retracted back into the front. That should give you your fix. If it happens again, that's because it loosened again. You didn't tighten it good enough. You can keep on pulsing back. And if they happen to come back out, which they aren't, but just to force a quick fix again, what you want to do is go ahead and untighten it. Make sure that you put your fingers up here, lift this up. And the minute you lift this up like this, you'll see that the needles retract back in. So go ahead and re-tighten it up, making sure you're keeping that tourniquet piece in there. Keep a good tight piece in there. Now we're a little bit more of about a 92 degree here. You can see it keeps those needles retracted. And go back to your procedure. Again, they're back out. They're back in. I mean, they're back out. I mean, they're back in. Cut. Yeah.
526 pulses.
And it only had to happen twice.